Hello students, welcome to online class of science for class 5th. Today our topic is food and health. So students, let's first of all understand what is health. So health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. If we are physically and mentally fit, that means we are healthy. So being healthy should be a part of our overall lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle will help us prevent chronic diseases and long-term illness. So feeling good about yourself and taking care of your health are very important for your self-esteem and self-image. So always maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for your body. If we are having healthy body plus healthy mind as well, that means we are living a happy life. So now the question arises, what are the requirements to remain healthy? So to remain healthy, we require proper food, exercise, rest, hygiene and correct posture. First is proper food. We all know that food gives us energy. It helps to stay alive, be active, move and work. It will give us energy to work and play. Food will also build new cells and tissues for growth, and it will also prevent and fight infections. So we require food to stay healthy and heal ourselves. If we want to live a healthy lifestyle or if we want to remain healthy, exercise is very important, as it will strengthen our heart and improve our circulation. The increased blood flow raises the oxygen level in our body, and we all know that how oxygen is important for our body. Also, it will help to lower our risk of heart diseases. So regular exercise will lower your blood pressure. Okay? So we can opt for any of the exercises. There are so many exercises which we can opt for to remain healthy. So we can go for a walk, jogging is also there, skipping, cycling. So many activities, physical activities are there which we can include in our daily life to remain healthy. Rest is also equally important to remain healthy, as it will enable to repair and be fit and ready for another day. It is necessary to recover a tired body. We are working continuously throughout the day, so rest is very important. As adequate sleep should be there, at least 7 to 8 hours proper sleep will be taken by everyone. Rest and relaxation reduces stress and it will improve our overall health. We will be able to easily work a full day. It will improve our focus. Okay? Next is to maintain a proper hygiene. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene means to keep ourselves and things around ourselves clean, as proper hygiene will prevent diseases and it will lead to good health. So cleanliness of body is our personal hygiene. And hygiene also includes proper sewage disposal, cleanliness and safe drinking water supply. So it includes all the activities that are done to preserve and improve sound health. So always maintain a good and proper hygiene. We are taking any food item, we should be very careful about what nutrients that food is containing. Now, what is nutrient? Basically, a nutrient is a substance which is used by an organism to survive, grow, and reproduce. So, we are having some nutrients in our food, various food like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So, let us study about these nutrients one by one. Carbohydrate. So, carbohydrates are foods that get converted into glucose or sugar in our bodies during digestion. Glucose is the simplest carbohydrate that is absorbed by the body easily. Carbohydrates will provide energy to our body. Okay? So in their absence, if carbohydrate is not there, our body will use protein and fat for energy. So carbohydrates are very, very essential nutrients for our body, which are rich in carbohydrates. So they are bread, rice, wheat, sugar, potatoes, and bananas. So these foods are rich in carbohydrates. We should include these food items in our daily diet. Okay. Now I hope that you might have understood the portion which we covered today. So for homework, students, you have to read the chapter thoroughly at home. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.